All right, someone asked for a Kahoot video. So if you type in Kahoot, then the first screen that comes up, you'll click login and you'll have to pick your name probably. Mine comes right in here. If you go to discover, you can try to discover something that you're looking for. So I was looking for how to read hundreds and thousands because students had asked about that yesterday. So then once you find one that you like, then you can change it. So let's say I like this one. Then I will edit it. So you click here on edit. If you just like it, you can click on favorite and then it will be kept in your favorites. But if you edit it, then click on duplicate here and then you can change your name and you can also make it public. And then click done. Then as you go through here, you can change the theme. Here you can check on the time. This time is way too long. So I'm going to go to a minute for this one, standard single select. So on each of these, it goes through and says the name and the number, and it has on all of these the time, the points, and what kind of question this is. So you can go through and edit this any way you want to. When you're finished, you click save. Done. Now, if you want to make something on your own, then you click create. And I don't really ever use those. So I would just click create here. And I'm going to say here, oh, that's interesting. It went here. Okay, I'll say here, what is the best school in JCPS? And then here you can search for anything. So I'm going to see if they have a picture of Newcomer Academy. They don't, so I'll just put school. And I'll just put that. And then here you would type in your answers, Newcomer Academy. And then here maybe I'll say Old Comer Academy. And okay, that's it. That's all I'm going to put there. Okay, so then I have to click on one of these for the right answer. Erase that. Then over here, 20 seconds, standard points. That looks good. So then over here, add a question. So this time you can pick quiz, which is multiple choice, true or false, and then puzzle has lately become my favorite. So puzzle, if I say here, arrange these words into a sentence. Now here I can type the different ones. All students at Newcomer Academy are immigrants and refugees, period. And then again, I can click on an image that I want to add. And now it's here. 1 minute standard points. 1 minute is way too long. I'm going to give that 30 seconds. So then the easiest thing to do is after I've done this, if I want to click copy or duplicate, then it has the same thing here. So I will say, I think it's good to mix up the colors. I'm not sure if that's a big deal or not. But then you can keep duplicating or you can add more questions. Then when you're done, you click save. And I'm just going to call this practice 2 and continue. And I'm going to leave that as private. Okay, when you want to play a Kahoot with the kids, they type in kahoot.it and then have them bookmark it so that they don't have to do it every time, and it'll ask for a pin. Now for you, once you've saved stuff, if you go into a library, then here are the things that you've done. Here are the favorites that you've saved as well. So here's my recent ones, and then I can click on one of them and click play. And then I can do start or assign. I usually do start because I have kids do this during breakfast or while I'm taking attendance. Now here they changed this. When you get to this mode, before you click start, make sure that your settings are where you want them. I love it to have the students be able to read the questions and answers on their computer screen. Has the language lobby music is kind of fun to switch up sometimes. Randomize order of questions means that we're not going to have it in the same order every time we do it. And randomize order of answers means they can't always copy off of each other for that. Autoplay is if you put it on, it'll just automatically go through the questions. You don't have to click on it. And I never use the rest of these. But these I save, and it will keep these for every game that I play. Then when I click Start, here, now the PIN number will come up, 3080142. Kids type that in here, 3080142. They click Enter, and then they write a nickname, which can be their name or whatever. And then for you, you can see the kids as they're joining. When they're ready, you click Start. And then since I clicked on the settings, then the question and the answers will be visible to students. And here, since this is a puzzle, they have to drag these into order. So 7,000, oh, sorry, this is the kids. 7,227. And then when they've dragged those into order, then they can click Submit. And then teachers, you click Next. If you have a clicker and it's plugged in, you can click on this from anywhere in the classroom. And then it will proceed on through. Now there's other settings and stuff that you can mess with, but I don't usually do that. I guess the last thing I will say is that you can assign a Kahoot to kids. So if you do that, if I wanted to assign this one, I would click Play, and here I click Assign. And so there, I will create it. And then here I can share it on Google Classroom, or I can copy the URL with the PIN number. So those are ways to share that. And that is a little intro to Kahoot.